Hello everybody, Michael and Timber here from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Sorry for the mess, got a lot of stuff going on. Timber is almost 15 years old. She's my old girl here and my mascot. But today I want to show you a new product from Griots Garage. Now I've been using Griots Garage for a long time and happy with every one of their products. They weren't really known mainstream. They were kind of known to the high-end detailers back in the day, but now they're kind of getting out there and going mainstream. You can get a lot of their products at local auto stores. But this is their new ceramic all-in-one wax. So it's advanced paint correction, durable SiO2 protection. A lot of videos coming out on this. I have a truck. It's an older truck. It's still dirty. So I've been decontaminating the paint and just got layers of mud off of it. It was four-wheel drive, but it's an older truck. It's a four-wheel drive. It's banged up, scratched up. But I want to take this opportunity to use this one because he's going to sell it, trade it in and sell it, get a new one. But I want to take this opportunity because I love the all-in-one products, especially if you got a vehicle that you're going to sell. I decided to go with the Griots Garage. This is my first DA. This is a 6-inch. And this is one of the older ones, but I love it, especially if you got a big vehicle, you got a big 6-inch pad. It's gonna oh, this is kind of soft. It's gonna take less time. So we're just gonna kind of butter up this pad. I'm going very heavy. I shook it up already. What I like about Griots Garage is I got this cool little round tip. So let's check this out. So still a little hazy there. It's drying still. So I'm gonna tap this on here and go down to 1, get it started. And let's polish out this headlight too while we're at it, because this is an all-in-one polish. So let's see what it's gonna do on a headlight as well. So I'm gonna turn it up about 3.5. Keep it flat. Now I got to put some newer marks in there, but as you can see, you want to keep a nice level surface and keep it moving. I can tell already just by a couple passes, yeah, it's gonna make this headlight look a little bit better, but it doesn't have quite the correction in it that I'm looking for. But it definitely made it a lot shinier. Like, he didn't ask for that, but I'm gonna do it for him anyway. So now I'm buffing this off, and I can tell you right now, we have a super slick SiO2 wax on this. Very nice and smooth. So as you can see, took out some minor paint defects, polished it out really nice. It's nice and shiny. So you got a little duller here, but it's got that nice shine to it. Griots Garage has one of the best carnauba waxes out there. Their show car wax, and if you got a hot rod or something and you're waxing it regularly, that stuff is the best I've ever used. It's easy to go on, easy to come off. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends about my channel. As you can see, I have millions and millions of products in my garage, so that's a lot, isn't it? So ceramic all-in-one from Griots Garage. I am a weekend warrior. This is what I do for a passion on the side, just helping out friends and coworkers. Saw a bunch of bad advice on YouTube, so I decided to create my own channel, show you guys how I do it. I've been doing this for almost over 5 years now on the side, and I got great mentors, and you know, been in the business for decades, and so I get the latest, greatest new stuff. I'm hoping to go out to Barrett-Jackson this weekend. Hopefully Griots Garage will be out there as usual, and see what's coming out new. They got some new a new cordless battery operated or rechargeable foam cannon. They also have a new DA that's coming out that looks fantastic, so I'm definitely going to be getting those in the future and showing you guys. But for an all-in-one wax, this has a great super smooth finish. So wash, clay, rinse, clay bar, and add your ceramic 3-in-1, and you'll come out. I'm going to do a quick video after, and everybody have a great day. So here's a quick after look at the luster and the shine that this product gives. As you can see, it did some really good paint correction, actually, you know, for such a smooth product. It had a nice, so any kind of smudges, it took out some minor swirls, but really left a nice shiny finish. Have a great day, everybody. Check out ceramic all-in-one wax from Griots Garage. Take care.